Now, that deadly scene in the Northwest is pushing new calls for adding new protections for first responders. The updated Back the Blue Act increases penalties for harming police officers, but it leaves out other first responders. 10 News reporter Sarah Ottman joins us with a push to expand those penalties. Sarah?
Yeah, John, I spoke with a former EMT who knows firsthand how difficult it can be to work as a first responder. He believes that everyone in the field deserves the same level of recognition and protection. When first responders rush towards danger, Hayden Bradfield says they deserve equal protection under the law.
I feel that EMS and fire services are treated second class, I guess, as compared to law enforcement.
Bradfield worked in EMS for 2 years and says the morale was crushing.
The continuous stress and burden, that weighs heavily on our shoulders, day by day.
He left the field, but now he's fighting for it. After researching state laws, he found Tennessee is one of few without enhanced penalties for assaulting EMS or fire.
Assaults against EMS and fire should most certainly have the same severity as assaults against law enforcement.
Under the Back the Blue Act, attacking police comes with stiffer penalties, but EMS and fire aren't included. Lieutenant Governor Randy McNally says that could change.
These are people whose duty it is to protect the public. And I think that, if they're assaulted, a higher range would be really something that's in the public's best interest.
After 2 firefighters were killed in an ambush in Idaho, the bill's sponsor, Kip Capley, says he's praying for their families and colleagues and is committed to having the backs of all Tennessee first responders. For Bradfield, it's a cause he says he will continue to fight for.
Stay on top of the issue and to, to further advocate, for our fire and emergency services.
Right now, the Back the Blue Act moves an assault against a law enforcement officer from a Class A misdemeanor to a Class E felony. It also increases the minimum sentence and fine. Bradfield says he hopes lawmakers will include EMS and fire crews under these protections. John?
We'll continue to watch it. Sarah Ottman on the update.